If you want to make narcissists mad, attack their storyline. I know I tend to track narcissists. I wonder what that says about me. Side quest though. A lot of people's storyline that I know of personally in my life are, I'm this way because there's no possible way anybody can make it out of this situation. I'm like borderline, autistic, whatever the fuck you want to, you know what I'm saying? Whatever excuses you want to label on yourself for why you're just doing whatever the fuck you're doing. And not choosing to help out your kids and not choosing to help out your family. You know what I'm saying? It's like a lot of people believe these storylines of like, well, it's impossible because no one else has done it. And then come along someone that can show them, no, you can do it. All you have to do is just do these simple little rules. Don't get high. Make sure you manage your emotions. Exercise to manage your emotions. Manage the way you deal around people. Don't pick up, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? And then just simply by existing, it makes all these narcissists' storylines come crumbling down. Because they can't sit there and say all the shit they've been saying when there's somebody who may have had it harder and worse and is just literally following the rules laid out to everybody. Following the rules and just doing it. You know? That's how you make narcissists mad. And then what they're gonna do, they're gonna use all their little pawns, all their little friends, all their little groups and fucking social connections to try and bring you down. They can't even help themselves to stop doing it. That's the fucked up part. That's the funny part though. You just gotta let it go because they can't even help themselves. You know what I'm saying? They can't even stop themselves from doing it. Fuck them.